So, good morning, dear students. As you all know, today we have to discuss exercise part of chapter 3 as we have completed our chapter 3, sorry, we have completed with practically and theoretically with animation I have explained to you. And yesterday I have shared one video in which I have practically demonstrated all the things in this chapter and you all have practiced also. So, in exercise part, firstly we are starting with the fill-ups. So, our first fill-up is I want your response also. In my chat window, I am looking at you. You all will give your response in chat window and then we will decide that answer is correct or incorrect. So our first one is dash contains the text that we send to all recipients. What will come in it? Dash contains the text that we send to all the recipients. I'm waiting for your response, beta. Yes, beta, and the correct answer is main document. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is main document. Let me check the answer. Yes, it's correct. So in first fill up, main document will come. Let's move to the second fill up. Dash key help us to move between fields while typing data. We have discussed while doing the chapter. Dash key help us to move between fields while typing the data. Do fast, write your response. I'm waiting for you. What will be the correct answer of it? Yes, and the correct answer is tab key. Let me check it. Yes, it's correct. Now next one. The data is organized in tabular form along with the database file. What will come in it? The data is organized in tabular form along with dash database file. Yes, the answer I am getting from you is failed. Let me check it. Failed. Yes, very good, beta. It's the correct answer. So the answer in it, answer of third fill up is filled. Now last one, last fill up. A dash mark gives an indication that a record is selected. Do it fast. Last fill up, last answer. What's remaining? Give your answer. Yes, it's tick only. So the correct answer will be tick. Yes, it's right. So our fill up part is completed. Now let's move to the next one.
Stay true or false.
That is true false. Okay. Yes. Data source contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipients. Is it true or false? Give your response, beta. Do fast. Data source contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipients. Yes, and the answer is true. Let me check it. No, it is not true. So the correct answer is false. Because in place of data source, main document should come. Main document contain the text that we wish to send to all the recipients, not data source. So false will come in it. Okay, beta. Now next one we are doing. Field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information. What will come in second one? Field is a column in a data source that contains one type of information. Let me check it. Most of you are saying true. Let me check. Yes, it's correct. So it is true. Because we all knows, like field name we have given name. So under that field we will write name of all the student only. So it contains one type of information only. Okay. So next one, third, true false. Merge field is the feature that is used to combine a recipient list with main document. Is it true or false? Merge field is the feature that is used to combine a recipient list with main document. It is false. Is it false or true? Yes, merge field is used to combine a recipient list with main document. It should be true only, dear. Yes, it is true. Merging field means combining. The meaning of merge specifies combining the things only. Okay, so it is true. Now, next one. Preview result option on mailing tab displays the first record from the data source. Okay, you all are saying true. Let me check it. It is true. You are correct. Because when we are previewing the result, it will take one record only from the data source and that will be displayed. So it is true. Now come to the next true false. The two main components required during a mail merge process are the main document and merge field. Is it true or false? I'm waiting for your response. Okay, many of you are saying false. Let me check it. It is false. Yes. Why it is false? Because the two main components required during mail merge process are, one is main document, up to here is correct, but second one is data source. It is not merge field. So that's why this statement is false. Now I am repeating the answer of true false again. First one is false, second true, third is true, fourth is true, and fifth one is false. So let's move to the next one, beta.
Application based questions.
Now application based questions we are doing. Beta, before starting this, tell me, is my voice clear to you? Am I audible to you? Tell me, beta. Okay. So keep your books open. And now we are doing application based question. Our first application based question is, Radhika has purchased a brand new luxury car. She wants to celebrate her happiness with her friends and relatives. She wants to extend personal invitation to each one of them without typing their names and address time, and again, which method could she use to fulfill her requirement? I am waiting for your response. Tell beta what will come in it. Which option will be suitable for her? So we were doing application based question, and first question I have asked from you, and what should be the correct answer according to you? Yes, in first application based question, according to you, what should be the correct answer? And the correct answer of this is mail merge. Let me check it. Mail merge. Yes, it is correct. So mail merge will come in it, beta. Because we all knows we have done this chapter, and we all knows mail merge is used for creating a letter for more than one persons very fastly without any time. So next application based we are doing, beta. So Chitra is an office assistant and handles all the correspondence work of the company. This month her company has made 5 new clients. Where will she add the contact details of new clients while using the mail merge feature? Think about it, beta. What will come in it? Where she will add the recipients, where she will do. Yes. So where we are adding the recipient name in mail merge? So the correct answer is in data source. So the correct answer of second one is data source. She will add in data source. So this way our application based are completed. One. Yes, application based are completed. So next topic we are doing, and our next topic is
Multiple choice questions.
Yes, you heard correctly. That is multiple choice questions. So our first question is in multiple choice question. Dash is a row on a data sheet which consists of number of fields. What will come in it? Yes. Yes, the correct answer is record. It's correct. So the first MCQ answer is option B, record. Now second MCQ. Dash is the data item which instructs Microsoft Word where to insert the data source information in the main document. What should be the correct answer? Option A is data source, option B merge field, and option C is main document. And the correct answer is merge field. Very good, everyone. Now next one, third MCQ. To create a new recipient list, select dash radio button under select recipient section. Remember, here we have to create a new recipient list. So which option should we select? We have done it practically. So the correct answer is type a new list. Yes, this is the correct answer of this MCQ. Now let's move to the next topic.
Answer in one word or one sentence.
Yes, here we have to do answer in one word. You all have to read the questions, and in one word or one sentence you have to answer. Let me start. Yes, beta. So in one word, our first one is, in mail merge, where do we organize data in tabular form along with the field names? What should be the answer? In mail merge, where do we organize data in tabular form along with the field names? Yes. Give your answer. And the correct answer is data source. Let me check it. Data source. Yes, it's correct. Now second one word we are doing. Which tab do you select to execute mail merge option? In MS Word, which tab we have to select for using mail merge option? We have done in practically. Yes, the correct answer is mailings tab. Mailings tab. Mailings tab is the correct answer of it. Let me check it. Yes, it's correct. Now, third, name the button that is used to further select the option for printing a document. Name the button that is used to further select the option for printing a document. Yes, and the correct answer is the last option which we have done in practical session. That is finish and merge. Finish and merge. Let me check it. Yes, it's correct. Now the last one. Where do you enter the records that are to be associated with the main document? Where we have to enter the record? And the correct answer is new address list. New address list. Let me check it. It is correct. So these are the answers of one word beta. In first one data source, second one mailings tab, third one finish and merge, and the fourth one is new address list. So we have completed this chapter now. Question answers are remaining. Question answers I will send on your WhatsApp group. So up to here which we have discussed you have to do in your books, and question answers you have to write in your notebook. Until Tuesday you have to send your work to me on my personal number and I will give you marks accordingly. Okay beta? So now we are concluding our class. Is there anyone having doubt beta? Yes, take your doubts one by one. So we are ending this session now and I am start taking your doubt. Okay beta, have a nice day.